So some people ask me, how long will it take me if I work with you guys? How long will it take me to turn $1,000 into 10,000? Or if I want to make $10,000 a month, how much money do I need to start with? And those are great questions, but those are kind of crystal ball questions because there's some variables that I won't be able to answer. And that is, are you going to do what we're exactly showing you how to do? Are you going to actually follow the steps that we outlined? I will tell you this. If you do, you will have the same results as us and as me. And so what does that mean? That means, week one, or let's just say month one, our goal is to get you to making at least $100 a day. And we give a 30-day time frame for that. But the reality is that some people start to make $100 a day from day one. We've had people in our group that joined our mastermind and made $28,000, $29,000 in their very first 30 days. But our goal is to make sure you become a consistently profitable trader, making at least $100 a day. Well, if you do that every day, guys, that's $3,000 a month right there. That's a mortgage payment or your rent payment, or maybe your mortgage or rent and car payment, maybe something else. I don't know. Depends on where you live in the country. But by month two and the end of month two, we want you to be consistently making at least $200 a day. Some people are going to get that in the first couple weeks, let alone the first month or two. But we want to make sure that by at least month two, as long as you're following our structure and you understand exactly what we're doing and you get on our live trading calls and we're showing you exactly when to get in, when to get out, you should be consistently earning at least $200 per day. And by month three, at least $300 per day or more. And I'm saying at least, guys, because some people do this much quicker, but I'm trying to, under promise and over deliver. I want to let you know that within a 3-month period, you can be making $10,000 a month with crypto very easily. Now, what will $10,000 a month do for you? Okay. Will that change your life at all? I would, beg to say that yes, probably it will. Most people's life. That's an extra $100,000, $200,000, $120,000 a year. That could replace your income at your current job or business that you're doing. And not only that, but here's the cool thing about it. You can do that concurrently with whatever else you're doing, because to make 6 figures a year doing what we're teaching and what we're talking about here, you only need about 4 hours a week of your time. Yeah, 4 hours a week. Imagine only working 4 hours a week and making over $100,000 a year. Imagine having a day job or a business and spending an extra 4 hours a week, which is what most people spend watching television, to make an extra 6 figures a year or more. And imagine if you could just spend an extra hour or two a week on top of that to make high 6 figures, maybe even 7 figures a year. Yep, all that's possible. We estimated that it would take you about 4 hours to go through all the training videos that are in our course, in our tutorials, and a couple times over. Like, you can go right through them very quickly, but we want you to watch them a couple times over and understand them. And then we get on our live training calls that we do every week. I'm live 2 hours Monday at 12 noon Eastern. I'm live 2 hours Wednesday and 2 hours Friday. That's 6 hours a week that I'm live, sharing my screen, trading live with you, and showing you exactly how we do these things. And then that's just me. My partner Chad is also live for 2 hours on Tuesday evening and Tuesday night. We also have other people in our group, like Bill, for instance, who does 2 basic calls a week and 2 onboarding calls a week. These are just 2 hours probably each as well, teaching and training new people how to get set up and what to do. So we have probably 12 to 15 hours a week of live calls that you can hop on. Now, if you don't get on all of them and you just spend, 4 hours a week getting on as much as you can, and not only that, but if you miss any of these live calls, they're all live streamed and uploaded into our private Facebook group for members. So you can always go and watch the replay anytime you want. And if you just spend 4 hours a week minimum, you are going to get the hang of this and you're going to make successful trades. You're going to become a consistently profitable trader. Obviously, just like anything else, the more you invest in your education, the more you put into this, the more you're going to get out of it. But I think that we've surmised it to say that at least 4 hours a week can get you a ridiculous amount of return on your investment in time and energy and actual action that you're taking, actually taking the trades that we're showing you how to do. Click the button below, get registered below. We'll show you how to take any amount of money and turn it into more money, but we'll also talk about exactly what is the best starting point. If you have $5,000 or $10,000, $20,000, you can certainly get there much faster. And if you only have $100 or $200, it might take you a little longer, but there's no reason why you can't grow your account to these numbers. So click the button below, get registered for our upcoming live event. I'll share my screen live. I'll explain all this in detail to you. I'll show you exactly how we're doing it. You will see clearly that you can do this too. Anybody can. We take brand new people who've never done this before and bring them up to ridiculous amounts of income in a very short period of time. Learn how you can do this too. Click the button below and I'll see you on the live webinar.